In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can export part of a timeline only in Davinci Resolve. This process is very straightforward and simple to do, so let's just get straight into it. So I have my video here in the timeline. It is about a minute or two long, but I only want to export a portion of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my timeline. Then I'm going to select the rocket on the right hand side of that. That is the export button. And now it says here render, and it's on entire timeline. You want to click on that drop down menu and you want to select in out range. And then you'll notice there's a little dot there at the far left hand corner. And if I go to the end of this, there's another dot. So if I want to export like a portion of this in the beginning part, I just drag that dot to where I want it. Then I go to the other side. Then I grab the dot on the right hand side and I drag it. So let me drag it to that area and then bring this one back again. So I want to export only this highlighted part that's highlighted. Now all you need to do is select your render settings. So you can select YouTube 1080p for example, and then all you need to do is do the regular export process. You click on add to render queue. You give it a title. And then you just click on start render and it will only export this highlighted portion. So that is how you export part of a timeline on Davinci Resolve. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.